All right, here's the triple tree all painted up with a cast aluminum paint. There was some question about a crack. I'm hoping that the crack people see is this tightening gap for the pinch bolt. I think it looks pretty darn good for having been painted in place. Quite frankly, I just didn't want to take this whole front end apart in order to paint it on the bench and then put it all back together. Call me lazy, if you will, but that's the way I decided to do it. And quite frankly, once I think the handlebars are on and the headlight is on and everything is on in the front, that it's gonna look just fine. Just no sense. Now, the identity tag, the serial number tag is there. I'm not going to do any touch up on that. That's sort of a legal document. I'm going to leave it just like that so that when we go up to get the thing titled, they can't raise any questions about the validity. For some reason, the New Mexico put a tag on top of the tag. I don't know what all that means, but a assigned identification number, gosh only knows why, because the numbers match between the engine and the frame. And we'll see what's on the open title that we have that we'll take up and try to title this thing in Arizona. So I'm not going to touch that. Leave it as is just in case they want to check it. So anyway, the front end of the bike is looking pretty good. I will take the front tire up to be installed. And tomorrow we're going to be working at Kevin's house on the T20. We got the new parts in. We got an alternator, a Payson, and a Lucas alternator, a Boyer power system, and a electronic ignition. We're going to put these on the T20 and see how it goes. So that's where we are. It's late at night. I just thought I'd let you all see what this looks like. And I think it looks great.